Today on Whitlock Garage, we've got another segment of What's in My Driveway with Trey Carnes, short bed, patina, LS powered C10. Alright guys, I gotta drop in here real quick before we jump into the content and let you know UnitedByTrucks.com is where you can get all your UBT United by Trucks merch. You can get hoodies, shirts, kids shirts, sweatshirts, stickers, and we got hats coming soon. So head over to UnitedByTrucks.com to get your UBT gear today. Alright guys, so I mentioned in the intro, we got a 64 short bed, OG looking truck with white walls, LS power. We're gonna turn the camera around and show you what we're looking at.
What's up?
Appreciate you bringing this thing over, man. Tell us a little bit about this truck.
So originally, my great-grandfather owned it, drove it every day down to Alcoa fabrication. When he passed, left it to my grandfather, who drove it every day to Lockheed. And then when he passed, it bounced around the family for a little while, set up for about a year. Motor was completely locked up. My grandfather, being the MacGyver that he is, actually put a boat motor in it.
No kidding.
Originally, so
yeah,
it wouldn't go more than about 30 miles an hour, but it'd walk up the side of a tree.
No kidding.
So we ripped all that out with the guys at Southern Valley, or Southern Classic now that it's called, and put a 5.3 LS automatic transmission, new drive shaft, obviously all new drive shaft.
Yeah.
Everything is howling and screaming.
Heck yeah. Well, tell me a little bit about these wheels and tires, man. These are super unique and look really awesome on this red.
But just some El Cheapo smoothies that I got, and had them match painted. It's called Fat Red, P-H-A-T Red.
Heck yeah, man.
And we just threw the white walls on there.
Are they 15?
Look. Yeah, 15.
It's 15s in the, well, all the way around, really.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
A little bit wider in the back.
Man, that looks amazing with that color.
In the front, C notches in the back, 4 inches.
Heck yeah.
Wanted to keep it classic, original paint. The coolest part about this is the steering wheel is original paint.
Heck yeah, man.
So those are the marks my great grandfather and my grandfather put on there.
Dude, that is just crazy cool. So the interior paint is actually original as well. All the foam, yeah, that is just killer. Is this under dash AC?
Didn't even clean it. Yeah, we put aftermarket AC in there. Did vintage air.
Man, that looks awesome.
Keeps it pretty cool. We did matting on the inside, so it keeps it cool and hot. So
man, that door shuts nicely.
Yeah. You can hear the auxiliary fan kicking on.
Still got the wood in the bed. Do you think this is original wood?
It is original.
I mean, it looks like it.
Yeah. So my great grandmother actually cooked up something in the kitchen. You can see it's got a little bit of rod up here, and this rod is from probably mid-70s.
Wow.
She cooked up something in the kitchen. To this day, we don't know what it was, and lathered it on the wood bed, so it's preserved it.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Well, man, this thing really has the color just pops. I mean, it really does. You mind popping the hood for us?
No, not at all. We did a little tribute in there.
Oh, nice.
To my late grandfather.
Yeah. That's really cool, man. So 5.3 LS 4L60E. Still got the original fawn paint on the firewall. Man, that's cool.
Yeah.
Power brakes, I imagine power steering.
Power steering, but we actually switched it over. I swapped it over after the build was done, and we switched it over to rack and pinion. So it's actually got rack and pinions.
Whoa, I didn't notice that.
You can actually see it.
Oh yeah, you can see that down there.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
It drives like a go-kart.
I bet.
Awesome.
Dude, that's got to be a huge improvement for a truck like
one
this.
Finger going 80 miles an hour down the road.
Yeah, that is super cool. Man, you made some really tasteful tasteful upgrades to this
I
truck.
didn't want to touch the outside too terribly much. I mean, we got a little bit of the rust going on.
Man, don't we all? That's the best part about it.
Yeah. These were, my grandfather made these and just put them on there. So
that's cool. I'd leave them too.
Yeah, some old stuff he had laying around.
Got the C10 Club Georgia sticker there.
Oh yeah. Got my hat on.
I see that. That's awesome. Matches the truck.
That's right.
Sorta. You want to go for a ride in this thing?
Yeah.
You mind taking me for a ride?
Let's do it.
That's kind of a little thing we do on Whitlock Garage when we're doing these little what's in my driveway deals. All right, so we're gonna go for a ride in this thing. Man, this interior is so clean.
Yeah, it's cool. I really like it, man. Alrighty.
Dude. Heck yeah, man. I think we're gonna actually beat the rain.
Sweet.
Because the one thing there for a minute I was like,
the one thing we don't have is windshield wipers.
That's right. Oh, I'm the same way in my green truck.
I think you're still a little open on that truck, on that door.
Oh yeah, probably am. Nope. God damn. There we go.
Which way are we going?
Just go back that way and we'll just make a little run around the block. Yeah, I really like the underdash AC.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's really cool.
We updated this. Obviously, this is aftermarket, but it'll.
It's probably like a retro sound.
Yeah, it's retro sound. It's got Bluetooth, all that good stuff, and it'll.
Man, that's cool.
Sound about run you out of here.
Yeah, I bet. What kind of exhaust you running on this thing?
They're Flowmaster.
Okay.
But they're definitely tuned down from. I didn't want anything super loud.
Yeah, I don't blame you, man.
Into it, it's loud enough, but I can still cruise and have a conversation like this. So.
Yeah, my green truck is probably quieter than this.
Yeah.
I mean I gotta ramp it up a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't want all the loudness.
Yeah. Man, I love this original foam.
It's cool.
Paint in here, man. This just looks killer.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff subtle changes that I made that I didn't want to do too much of, and I updated some of the stuff in the glove box there, so we've got the iPhone plug-ups and all that stuff to where I can still manage to get around. But,
and listen to what you want.
This is the best part about it. I mean, you drive around with one finger.
Do you remember what rack and pinion steering setup you went with?
Yeah, and if you hadn't asked me, I could.
That's all right. We'll go to the stop sign, go left, and then we'll go left again at the next.
Completely integrated bolt-on system.
Awesome.
Got it through Brothers.
Okay.
They did 64 to 66, just straight up bolt-on, and had to tap in with use the original LS
power steering pump
and reservoir. So
that's cool, man. Yeah. That's crazy how that worked out. I didn't even notice when I looked in there at first.
Man, it's a totally different drive. Obviously, this didn't have power steering originally.
Right.
And
man,
power brakes, so it made everything a little bit more difficult.
Go left here. And I remember when you sent me pictures of putting this thing up on a rollback.
Oh yeah.
A couple of years ago.
Yep.
And we'll turn left right up there.
Okay.
And just thinking, man, that's gonna be a badass truck.
Yeah. Well,
and it turned out great.
Yeah, I appreciate it. The story was the cool part for us.
Yeah, absolutely.
And today's actually my grandmother's 92nd birthday, so we're taking it up to, and this was her late husband's. So take her for a ride on her birthday, so it'll be a cool day.
Man, that's cool. Ain't nothing like having an LS and an old truck.
No, man.
I mean, it is.
Got the look without some of the headache.
Yeah, so. It's really cool.
Yeah.
And it's a bone stock LS, right? Mm-hmm. Other than
dropped and pulled and then dropped in there. Yeah, we obviously flashed the computer and all that.
Yeah.
But, yeah, just dropped it straight in.
That's awesome. That's cool, man. Dude, I gotta get one of these. I've had a few. None of them running and driving. But I need to build one. And this is so killer. I mean, you got just so lucky that this is not eat out. I mean, these trucks.
Yeah.
Every one of them I look at, it seems like, is eat out of a windshield.
It was always garage cab.
I mean, this thing.
So, I mean, there's a little bit of love in there, but
no, this is awesome. You can see that the rain finally got us. starting to pour down here in Georgia, but we appreciate you tuning in to Whitlock Garage, to the latest installment of What's in My Driveway. Big thanks to Trey for bringing his 64 short bed C10 over. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Give us a little like under the video as well. You can just smash that little like button below the screen there. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about Trey's 64 short bed. Appreciate you tuning in. We'll catch you next time on Whitlock Garage. Cue the music.